this video, I am going to show you how to convert voice recordings to text on Android. Tired of manually transcribing lengthy voice recordings on notes? Android devices offer convenient solutions to convert spoken words into text effortlessly. In this guide, we'll explore simple methods to convert voice recordings to text to your Android device. Android devices come equipped with a powerful transcription feature called Live Transcribe and Notifications. To do so, open the Play Store app on your device. Tap on the search icon and type Live Transcribe and Notification in the search bar. Once you find the app, tap on it and then tap Install button to download the app. After installation, open the app and grant any necessary permissions. With the app open and permissions granted, start speaking into your device's microphone. The app will instantly transcribe your spoken words into text, allowing you to capture notes or record conversations effortlessly. And that's it, guys. Thank you for watching, and please don't forget to like and subscribe for more.